Dear traders, in this video I'm going to explain you about 5 minutes crypto scalping strategy that will give you insane results. Moreover, this strategy can be used for forex and stock market as well. Before going towards the details of this strategy, I want to tell you that which program I'm using for my trading, that is XNES. If you want to open your account with them, you can get the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, standard cent, raw spread, zero and pro accounts. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for your each trading. So if you are interested to open your account with them, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here we are going to have 2 indicators. The first indicator is signal table, auto fit, SMA, EMA, RSI, ATR, volume by only Fibonacci. 756 traders are using this indicator, so simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. The second indicator that we are going to have here is the swing arm ATR, trend indicator by VSN FND. 3449 traders are using this indicator. You have to click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Now we have to go for few of the adjustment of both of the indicator. The first indicator is signal table, so we will go into the settings of this table. We have to go into the style. We have to simply uncheck tables, and that's all for this indicator. Now we will go into the second indicator's settings. Here we are going into the settings. For this indicator, we have to do few of the adjustments. Here we are going to uncheck trailing stop, extremum, and these all Fibonacci 1, 2, 3, L100, and we will also uncheck LS1, LS2, LS3, SS1, SS2, SS3. These all, as we do not need these in our strategy. Please go into the input tab. We have to change ATR factor from 5 to 6 and click OK. That's all for this strategy. Now I will tell you that when we have to enter for our long trade and when to enter for the short trade. Here I have opened my chart for 5 minutes, but now I have opened it for 1 minute chart, as we are going to see the first Bitcoin USD in this chart for crypto scalping. So I will tell you how it will be used. First of all, you have to see that you have to check where your first EMA line, that is green color line, and the second one is red color line. Green color line has to cross red color line for the buy signal. For example, here it is crossing over the red color line. So our first indicator is showing us the first signal, that is the first rule to enter into the bullish market, that is our green color line is crossing over the red color line. The second thing that we have to see, that here should be green color shadow area by our black flag indicator. The third thing that you have to see, that your all the candles should appear above this green color EMA line. If these all conditions are fulfilled, you have to enter into the bullish trend for your buy signal. Conversely, if we see for the sell signal, I will tell you that how to take the sell signal. The first thing that you have to see, for example, here we have to check that our red color line has to cross the green color line, right? The second thing that we have to see, that our the second indicator should give us a red shade area. The third thing that we have to see, that our market should be below this red color line, EMA line, and it should be showing us the candles should appear in red color line. If all these 3 conditions are fulfilled, we will confirm that we are in the bearish trend and we have to enter into the sell trade. So this is all about the strategy. If you want to see in any other chart, I will show you this. For example, in USD CHF, it will give us the same rules. Here it is going to cross the red color line. The green color line has crossed the red color line. Here our green color shadow area has started, and green color candles also appeared in the market. So we are confirmed that we are in the bullish trend, and you can see throughout it has taken the profit. So if you use this strategy, you will see amazing results of this strategy which I told you. Do not forget to like and subscribe my video if you like the strategy, and do use it for your trading in 1 minute time frame. So good luck from my side.